Hi guys! So for today's vlog, nag-breakfast kami dito sa Eggs and Ting sa Yokohama. So syempre, alam nyo naman guys kung ano laging in-order namin. So ayan, may spam, may chicken and waffles, ayan. At syempre, merong eggs and coffee. At hindi ko na alam guys kung ano tong mga in-order namin. Usually naman si G-Style lang nag-order. So ayan, kakain na kami. At syempre kasama namin si Jiro. Comment down below kung anong favorite niyo dito guys.
The next day.
So habang pauwi na kami guys, nakita namin itong napakadaming birds. So at the same time, nalulungkot din kami guys. So pauwi na kami rin para mag-book ng flight papuntang Manila kasi meron kaming bad news. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye!